Max utility 789. Max utility function is max of 2x minus y, 2y minus x. Uh, Max of 2x minus y and 2y minus x. So let's just plot it. Utility equals to max of 2x minus y comma 2y minus x. So he's going to prefer 2x minus y when 2x minus y is greater than 2y minus x, which implies that when x is greater than y, and he's going to prefer this when y is greater than x. Alright, so let's draw the ICs. This is the x equals to y line. This is the region for x greater than y. This is the region for x less than y. So whenever x is greater than y, he prefers 2x minus y. So here you will have utility equals to 2x minus y. Here you will have utility equals to 2y minus x. So the slope of this thing, 2y minus x. So it's going to be, slope is m equals to half. Okay, so slope half ICs, and here you will have m equals to 2, slope 2 ICs. So what the ICs will look like is slope half here. So this is m equals to 1, this is m equals to 1. So slope half will be flatter than this, as slope 2 will be steeper than this. Okay, so this is what the ICs will look like. Yeah. Uh, Now options. Max preferences are quasi-linear. That is not true. They are linear. Uh, Mac has more X than Y, then any increase in his consumption of Y would lower his utility. If has more X than Y, so he's talking about this situation, then uh, any increase in his consumption of Y would lower his utility. Okay, so suppose he's starting from a point like here and he increases his consumption of Y to here. Okay, so his utility will actually lower. So he will go to a lower indifference curve if he does this. Okay, so right now his utility is 2x minus y. Okay, so for x greater than y, his utility is 2x minus y. So in this situation, if y increases, his overall utility will come down. Okay, so that's why B is the answer.